करंजाळे दर्यावेळेचेर जे नुस्तें मारतात तातूंत भितर हेवी मेटल आसा अशी एक संशोधन गोंय युनिवर्सिटीन केलां आनी खवदळ निर्माण जाला. लोक ताजेर चर्चा करतना दिश्टी पडटात आनी अजाप म्हळ्यार हे करंजाळे रावपी नुस्तेकारूय ताजेर चर्चा करतना आमकां दिश्टी पडटात. विशेश करून कितें जालां की बांगडे, ताल्ले हे जे पळय सामान्य लोक जे पळय खावपी पळय नुस्तें आसा तातूंत भितर हें हेवी मेटल सांपडलां आनी तें कार्सिनोजेनीक म्हणजे तातूंतल्यान चड खालें जाल्यार कॅन्सर जावंक शकता अशे तरेचो हो निश्कर्श सांगता. सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचें म्हळ्यार कितें, बांगडे आनी ताल्ले गरीब लोक मध्यमवर्गीय लोक खातात. ते चड प्रमाणांत हालीं मेळटा नासतना आमकां दिश्टी पडटा. विशेशतः पणजे शारांत करंजाळेच्यान हें चड नुस्तें पणजे येता, सरभोंवतणच्या वाठारांत ते खातात. म्हणटकीर हें कितें बाबा अशे तरेचें हेवी मेटल सांपडप म्हळ्यार कितें? आमी हाजे पयलीं आयकल्लें प्लास्टिकाचे कण समुद्रांत इतले गेल्यात की ते नुस्तें खातात आनी नुस्त्याक लागून मनशाच्या पोटान वतात. सो हें एक आतां नवें संकट काय कितें? आदींच पयलींच अन्न हें सामकें मेळप मुश्कील जालां, म्हारगाय वाडल्या. ह्या परिस्थितीन नुस्तें जें आमी सदांच म्हणटालीं न्ही समुद्रांत एबंडंट मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर आसा आनी तें सबंद जगाच्या भुकेल्ल्या लोकांची गरज भागोवंक शकता अशे तरेचो निश्कर्श आसतना अशे तरेचें जर हेवी मेटल तें घातक, कॅर्सिनोजनक तें अशें नुस्त्यान मेळटा की तें कॉमन मनशाचें, सामान्य मनशाचें, गरीब मनशाचें अन्न, जाल्यार कितें करपाचें? हातूंत भितर कितें तथ्य आसा? युनिवर्सिटी कडेन बाबा अशे तरेचें संशोधन करपाची तांक आसा काय कितें? NIOंतले सायंटिस्ट कितें म्हणटात? आनी त्याच संदर्भान आमी आज उलयतात. NIOंतले निवृत्त संशोधक, विशेशतः नुस्तें विशींतले एक तज्ञ जे निवृत्त सायंटिस्ट म्हणून आज आमचे बरोबर आसात ते बबन इंगोळे. नमस्कार. 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 सी देर इज ए वरी among the general public in Goa about the fish found in Karanjale beach. And this is a very popular beach. Everybody, the Goan fishing community lives here and they are also very much concerned. So I want to know from you whether Goa University research on the fisheries, fish available on Karanjale beach, especially the mackerel and sardines, whether they are contaminated, they are with this heavy metal, and which is very, very carcinogenic and which is very, dangerous to a human nature.
Thank you very much for having me here. Yes, I have gone through the study what is published by Goa University. This is a scientific study, a specific probably maybe either PhD or the MSc dissertation based on the study specific to the Karanjala.
And I was not knowing whether Goa University is really doing this type of research.
No, they are doing it. They are doing it even for microplastic also they are doing it.
Okay.
They have good facilities now. They have quite
Very nice.
developed facilities.
They have a laboratory.
They have the laboratories to do such type of testing.
Okay.
And as far as the heavy metal is concerned, they have done the study both with the fish as well as in the sediment.
Okay.
So what is available in the sediment also they have studied. So as far as the study is concerned, I have no comment on that. It's a good study.
Yeah.
However, when we are reporting to
No. I will come to that. I will come to that. I want to know the actual fact, whether this type of study is there and whether there is real contamination of the fish.
Since it is published in the scientific report,
Yes.
it is a peer-reviewed journal.
Yeah.
Yes, they definitely must have done it.
There is a contamination.
And contamination is there.
Yeah. Okay. I want to ask another specific question. So you have served NIO in Goa for a very long period.
Yes.
So have you done any kind of study on the contamination of fish in Goa? Because
Yes.
you are also an expert on fisheries.
Yes. I did it.
Yeah.
This area also I did it.
Okay.
We did it both Mandvi and Zuari. Extensive study.
Oh,
on
so
the-
river
on the
as
fish.
well as the sea. You have done.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have done it, and specifically for the contamination, we already published this work also.
Yeah.
At Chikalim, Sankwal Bay, we
Okay.
did it quite detailed study for
Extensively.
extensive study.
Okay.
And as far as the heavy metal contamination in the waters of Goa or in the Goan waters, yes, there are the elevated level of the contamination. Specific points may be there where there is a alarming also.
Okay.
It is
What do you
not
mean by alarming?
alarming means there is a prescription level of some metals.
Consumption for humans.
Yeah, human consumption.
Sure.
So there
So
is a
you mean to say alarming means some kind of fish available in some part of the sea or river is not to eat. People, it is very, very harmful to the body.
Yeah, if you eat that once in a while may not have
that problem.
that problem. But if you are specifically collecting every day from there
Yeah.
and consuming regularly from there, because what happens, as we know that the contamination of these metals in water are very less,
Okay.
very less.
Okay.
But when fish consumes it, it filters it and it get accumulated in the fish, either
Oh.
Tisreo or Cubeo or Shinario
Oh.
or fish. So it
Or,
get accumulated.
what is this heavy metal?
Heavy metals are nothing but, for example, cadmium, copper.
Okay.
These are some of the
Okay.
mercury is there.
Okay.
So these are some of the metals
Okay.
which in minor quantity are also required it. But if it is more than what is required,
Yes.
then it creates the problem.
Okay.
And what happens with this thing is that once the fish is consuming filtering the water, it get accumulated in their muscles, body, everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, and then when we are consuming, for example, clams, Tisro or Cubeo or Shinario,
Okay.
we will not eat one or two. We'll be
Exactly,
full serve.
exactly.
Full serve
So
it will be.
this
So
fish-
it is already
See,
increasing
so
the
contamination. So contamination is basically in Tisro Kube crabs, or it is in generally every fish.
It
that
is in generally in majority of the aquatic organisms. I can
Okay.
say fish also is there, bigger organisms also,
Okay.
and Tisra also.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
So-
it is there, but it will be specific areas.
You can specify which are the areas that is highly contaminated.
I don't know exactly those locations because
Okay.
I have studied it long back.
Okay.
Now whatever is specific is there.
Okay.
Like for example, what is published in the newspaper yesterday
Correct.
or today is they mention about this thing.
Yeah.
Earlier, Mandvi Zuari plastic content, Goa University did it, NIO also did it. They
Okay.
showed it microplastic level in the
Yeah.
fish.
So first we have studied about the microplastic in the fish.
Hmm.
Now it is heavy metal. So what amount of microplastic is accumulated in the fish?
See,
Marine
that,
life
that,
is-
that will depend on different species.
Okay.
Okay, and particularly if there are fishes which are filter feeding.
Okay.
Okay, so those will have it more because they are taking water and the microplastic are there more in the water. Of course, in the sediment also it is there.
Yes.
But the filter feeding fishes,
Yes.
they filter the water and the
See, while
microplastic.
while we speak here,
Huh.
we can also see the accumulation of the plastic everywhere near the fish, near the shore, and as a result, it will
It will get into the sea only. It will get into the sea
this is
only.
one reason.
Yes.
Secondly, because of the tourism,
Yes.
there is a lot of plastics
Yes,
used
yes.
and thrown on the
Yes.
beach. Thirdly, all over the world, the plastic accumulation is so high, the level, it will automatically go to the
In the sea only.
sea only.
See, all the plastic
Correct.
from the top of Himalaya,
Yeah.
it goes and get accumulated at the deepest part of the sea.
Correct.
Finally, it ends into the sea only.
Exactly. So as
Yeah.
a result,
And-
the fish will. We have seen cows eating.
Yes, plastic.
There is a
Yes.
news that one
Yes.
cow was found with some 25 kg of
yeah,
plastic
yeah,
in her
plastic.
in
Yeah,
her
same
stomach.
thing with the fishes also they have found.
Correct,
Even
correct.
some of the big fish like
Yeah.
whales,
Yes.
they have found the huge quantity of plastic.
So tell
Yes.
me, doctor. Now it is everybody is of the conclusion that the fish available everywhere in the world having microplastic. Now we have been told by scientific study of the Goa University that also heavy metal is used is consumed by fish,
See,
and that is
plastic is a global problem.
Global
There's no
phenomena.
doubt about.
Yes.
Whereas heavy metal is a specific presently.
Yeah.
Although there is specific areas are there wherever there are the metal related factories and
Yes.
they are releasing the water where there are minings going on and the water is coming.
oh so this heavy metal might also be from mining industry.
Yeah, some of those metals are there because see what is there in the mine, whatever is required, they are taking it. Ore contains everything.
So most of the
Even-
dumps in
Yeah,
Goa
yeah.
are
And
there
they're
for
leaching-
more than
leaching for
more than
hundreds years.
hundreds years.
Yeah, and
So
then
it is there accumulated,
Yes, yes.
not properly
Yeah,
stored.
yes.
As a result, in the rains too.
that also is
yeah,
one of the
but-
contributor.
Oh,
That
mining,
also is
mining. So
very
Goa,
much.
Goa is having a problem because of
That's
the
what
mining
I say,
also.
wherever you have the mining,
Yeah.
so during the monsoon it get washed completely and
Exactly.
it comes. That is one of the.
Yeah.
Second is, as I was telling, there are a lot of factories are there which are using different type of metals.
Correct.
That include heavy metals and all those things.
Exactly.
And then when they are using it, they wash water,
Yes.
they release it. Sometimes, and majority of times, it is not a treated one. So it is wash water come directly and they release into the river or nearby water bodies.
Correct.
It come into the sea
Exactly.
only.
So how much carcinogenic, how much danger to a human body? Because
Again-
now
again-
see,
again-
already we have started
Yes,
consuming
yes.
microplastic.
Yes.
Already it must have accumulated
Yes,
in our
yes.
body. Second thing is heavy metal.
metals, yeah.
If we started consuming it, and see in Goa the popular fish is bangla and mackerel.
Yeah.
Sardines are also there. So this is something very, very dangerous for the community as such. So how much precaution we can take on this issue?
I can definitely tell that if you are consuming the fish
Yeah,
once in a while,
yeah.
shouldn't be a problem.
But how, boss? We daily,
no,
2 times,
what
3
I mean-
times a day
what
we
I-
have to eat.
What I mean, those contaminated one.
Yes, but how we'll
Contaminated
know?
one. That has to be study has to be conducted by government because the Goa University study is specific to one location.
Correct.
People are taking fish for all over.
Exactly.
So government has to come out with the study saying that along the Goa coast or along the Indian coast, these are the pockets. or
Another
these are the
another
hotspots.
danger
Where
is
are- where are the
another danger is
labels?
we have tourism, about 500, 600 hotels.
Yes.
Everybody consuming fish, so
Yes.
directly fish is going from the market to
To the
the
hotel.
area. So as a result, the Goan market, the local market, we get fish right from Kerala to Hyderabad to most of the coastal areas of
Yes.
India.
Yes.
We don't know what type of fish and
They-
what type of contamination there.
Contamination. That is what I say that.
Yeah.
That is why we should be consumer should be informed that the fish coming from such and such area may have the
May have the contamination.
may have the contamination. So it is up to you to
So
consume or not.
the government
But-
should have been setting up in the borders.
Yes,
There has to be checking laboratories.
There are laboratories available. However, what frequency they
Have checking up.
checking it, and then are they informing to the public? I'm not aware about that because
Okay.
see, there are studies available,
Yeah.
and government some of the laboratories have been designated to do the
Yeah.
pollution studies.
Yeah.
But how much it is available for public?
Marphelin
Ah,
was some days ago a big issue in Goa.
yes,
So fish was treated
with formalin.
formalin
Yes.
and brought to Goa, and there was the issue. Then the government has set up laboratories, but after that nothing has happened. So
in fact,
Yeah.
formalin itself,
Yeah.
if it is higher quantity,
Yeah.
it also is a carcinogen.
okay,
Yeah, and as you rightly pointed out, formalin is used,
To preserve-
quite frequently to preserve it for long time.
okay,
Yeah, basically, if it is small quantity,
yes,
yeah, may not be affecting that much.
Okay.
However, the people who are doing this business, they don't know the quantity. They are not checking it.
They are in business. They
Yes,
are reckless. They are
exactly.
So
exactly.
so see, what happens is most of the fish available in Goan market is coming from far away places, wherein the transportation will take 2 to 3, 4 days.
Yes.
Still, the fish is very fresh in the market. We can, for our eyes, we can see it as fresh. So what this mean?
This definitely indicates two things.
Yeah,
Either they have very effective freezing
technology.
to transport it almost 1 or 2
Efficiently,
days
yeah.
efficient. That is one thing. If that is there, very good. We don't have to worry much about it.
Correct.
However, it is not easy, particularly in the Indian conditions, to get such a technology easily available for the fishermen.
Point.
community.
This is
Yeah.
a point. Yes,
Secondly, unless there is some preservative used,
like formalin.
like formalin. I can't say it whether it is used
Actually
or not
used.
unless because there are again state government had such testing facility earlier. We have been informed about it. Whether it is still going on or not, I'm not aware about it.
Correct.
But
correct.
that should be there. Periodical checking should be there. What is coming, as you say, in Goa today we are getting 70-80% of fish which is available for common man consumption out of Goa.
Exactly.
And that is not a fresh, definitely, because it is caught
Exactly.
at least 1 day or maybe 1 or 2 days
More than 2 days.
that.
That's true.
And therefore, when it is brought it here, it has to be definitely preserved properly.
Hmm.
Unless that is preserved, it cannot.
So you
reach
mean to say
the
only
common
two
man.
reasons they can properly preserve it. One is high level of preservatives like
such as
formalin, or they should have an air conditioned
yeah.
facility which
Good,
is
good, yeah.
which is international quality.
Yes,
And we are not
yes.
sure because of the Indian conditions whether they really resort to it.
No, we do have it, but access to the common, fisherman to that one
Exactly.
we don't know about
So
it.
this is
therefore-
also a very
yes,
serious issue,
yes.
and Goa government or the India government should tackle it in a very efficient way.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
And inform the people very
Exactly,
well.
exactly.
Particularly, there will be some pockets.
Yeah.
We can understand it because there are industries are there. We are, industrially growing country. So
Correct.
there are some pockets where if effluent is coming, it is getting contaminated also. Such areas should be avoided. So, but it should be told to the people.
Yes.
Yeah, and particularly when you are informing to the media, one has to be very careful because
Okay.
for example, today's that
News story.
news about fish coming from
Contamination in Karanjal.
Karanjalam, that to Tarle and Bangde, when they say about sardine and mackerel doesn't belong to Karanjalam beach. They are everywhere available.
You are
They
right.
are highly migratory fish, very
Agree.
fast swimming fish.
Correct.
So when they are caught it here, not necessarily they are from here.
You are right. You are right.
And
This is a point.
More
This is
than
a point.
100% because they live in the open sea. They don't
You are
live
right.
in the coastal water.
दिसते इज व्हेरी सेफ खावपाक बरें हेल्थी हे पळय कोण कोण येवन लोकांक मिसगायड करता आनी आमी तुमकां प्रूव करून दाखयता कारांजालेंचें नुस्तें गोंया सेफ पळय तें आतां गोवा युनिवर्सिटीच्या स्टुडंटान खंय ती स्टडी केल्या खंय मायक्रो प्लास्टीक तितून हे नुस्तें हें करता म्हणून तेच्या पोटान आसता म्हणून आतां ताल्ली बांगडो दुसरे फिश म्हणटा ते तितून मायक्रो प्लास्टीक चड आसता म्हणटा मेटल चड आसता तेच नुस्तें हिंगा कारांजाल्यांचेच नुस्तें हें आहा मेटल चड आसता आतां पळय नॉर्थ टू साउथ हाका आख्खो सिया दीस इज युरोपियन सियान सुद्दां नुस्तें आतां क्लोज टू द शो आनी अशें जावंक शकना ना लोकांक बेश्टें भुजे वयसन करूंक उपना लोकांक मिसगायड करूंक सोदना गोंयचे स्टेबल आमचे शीतकोडी फिश करी आनी हेच तर तुमी जर लोकांक तर हें करता हें सारकें न्हू
पयलें सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंटाक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां ह्यो रापडी आमच्यो 100 वर्सांच्यो पुर्वजाच्यो सगल्यो पुर्वजाच्यो रापडी ह्यो म्हाजे घारापायचे घारापाय तेच्या बरोबर पायचे पाय चलय आतां आमी चलयता पूण फुडें आमची भुरगीं चलोवंक शकता आतांच तुमकां तें आयन मेवलें तें हितून नुस्तें येता खंयचें आमी क्रिएट करता वी डजंट क्रिएट दॅट न्हू ते येता भायर डीप सी युरोपियन सेल्सान येता जितलो उपरा वर तितलो नुस्तें येता हायटायट्स चालू वाडटा ते भाशेन तें नुस्तें येता न्हू तुमकां फकत तें मीठ तुमकां आतां हो प्रायम एरिया म्हूण तुमकां खबर आहा आय डोंट नो गव्हर्मेंट कितें करूं सोदता पळय एरिया तुमकां तर कितें करपाक जाय किंवा पयलेंच आमी सांगलां आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेया सो देर इज अ एवरी रिजन देर इज अ सोल्युशन आनी तें कितें करपाक जाय तें कॉन्फिडन्स घेवन आमी सगळें उलयतले कितें आहा तें आतां आमच्यान कांयच उलोवंक जायना ह्यो नाटकां तुमी करूंक वचो नाका डोंट थिंक दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू दॅट डू एनीथींग ओवर हियर इतलें सांगता तुमी कितले केदें स्ट्रॉंग जाया हिंगा आमचे देरवाटो आमी पयले आमकां कितेंच करून तुका दिवपाक कोणूय जावं तो केदो व्हडलो मिनिस्टर जावं तो वी डोंट केअर फॉर एनीबडी कित्याक आमी रापणी केल्या आमचे हितून रापणी केल्या आमचे कुस्तार रापणी केल्या आमी आमचे कोश करून ते रापणी केलेल्यो आहा सगळे हिंगा ते पोट भरता हजारांनी लोक हिंगा पोट भरता माना हिंगा लोक पोट भरता तेच्यातून पोटान हाडूंक येता जाता जाता तुमी सांगा आमकां कॉन्फिडन्स घ्या आमी सगळें करून घेता तुमकां तुमी कितें आहा तें आमचें पयलीं सोल्युशन कितें आहा तें रिजन आहा आमचें कितें तें आमी सॉल्व करुया जाता बसोन उलोवंक जाता सगळें कितें करूंक जाय पळय तें कितें तुमी कांयच्याय करता तुमकां पावर आहा कितें करून कांयच करूंक मेळपाचें ना हांव उलयता अशें कांयच करूंक मेळपाचें ना असो हांव केन्नाच उलोवना पयलो हांव सांगता तुमकां हिंगा पयलें आमचें कितें आहा तें पयलें पळया हिंगा येवन पळया कितें मेवता कितें मेवना पयलें हिंगा आतां हिंगा सीवेज पासून सोडटा तें कोण गव्हर्मेंट पळोवंक येता हिंगा आमी मातसो तो इश्यू केलो जाल्यार ग्रीन हितून दी जाल्यार आमचो तो पॉयंट आमचे फायली भायर उडयता ती वॉट इज द यूज ऑफ डुईंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स आमी हाटीच्या पॅक आमी हाटी सगळें ते भायर टायम आमी ते अशें काडलेले ते ऑब्जेक्ट सगळें भायर उडयले कित्याक ते हॅव गॉट अ पावर नुस्तेकार लो पडटा नुस्तेकार लो क्वॉलिटी न्हू आमी ऑफिसी म्हणून कितें तुमी सगळें ऑफिस लो क्वॉलिटीचे म्हणून आमी सगळें खारवी म्हणटा खारवी कितें खारव्यांक व्हॅल्यू आहा तो कोणाक व्हॅल्यू आहा तुमी तेमकां लो करचें धरता दॅट्स नॉट फेर आमी नुस्तेकार म्हूण जाणा तुमी आतां एक सांगता तें आयका तुमकां आतां इतले तुमी गव्हर्मेंट आतां आमकां पळय हे दिल्यो बोटी आहा लाखाची 30 लाखाची 40 लाखाची बोटी आमच्यो रापणी आहा तेका तुमी इन्शुरन्स कित्याक दिना वाय नॉट गिविंग द इन्शुरन्स टू दीस थिंग्स हा फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट तुमी हितून वचा म्हणटा मानेचे इन्शुरन्स करूं आमकां मानेचे इन्शुरन्स करून कितें फायदो आहा आमचे रापणी आमचे 5 मिनटान आमी बोर येता आमकां हे इन्शुरन्स दिया रापणी इन्शुरन्स दिया हाले कोण उजो पडलो आमकां 30 लाख आतां हाटील बाणावले सकाळचे आसले पळय I heard that. Are the government to compensation? What government gives the compensation? Tell me. Okay? That's it. इतलेच हांव तुमकां एक सांगता लास्ट. Government हांव कांयच म्हणना. Only thing, any problem, take us in the confidence. We'll talk. For every reason, there's a solution. We'll see what is going to happen. That's simple.
गोवा सरकारान आता बारीक लक्ष दवरचें पडटलें. गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीन हो जो पळय स्टडी केला ताजेर आनीक एक्सपर्ट नेमून पवन इंगोले सारके एक्सपर्ट नेमून ताजो अभ्यास जावचो. NIO सारक्या इन्स्टिट्युशनान भितर ताजेर आनीक अभ्यास करपाची गरज आसा. गोंय सरकारा कडेन अशे तरेचे जर एक्सपर्ट आसात तर तांणी तातूंत घालचे. फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान तर हांव मानता की NIOचे अशे तरेचे एक्सपर्ट बबन इंगोले सारके एक्सपर्ट त्यांनी घेवचे फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान आनी तांचे भितर आनीक काम जावचें. खरेंच बाबा करंजाळे सारक्या समुद्र किनाऱ्याचेर जे पळय नुस्तें मेळटा तें कंटेमिनेशन आसा काय कितें, तातूंत भितर हेवी मेटल आसा काय कितें, मायक्रोप्लास्टीक गोंयकार ते कशे खातात, गोंयच्या शरिरांचे म्हणजे एकूण मेळून गोंयचे पळय जे हेल्थ आहा ताजोय अभ्यास करतना हे अशे तरेचे कंटेमिनेशन आसा काय कितें तांच्या शरिरान भितर हाजो अभ्यास जावप खूब गरजेचो आहा. कारण गोंयकार लोक दिसाक 2-3 वेळा नुस्तें खातात आनी नुस्तें तांचो एक आवडीचो अन्नाचो एक म्हत्वाचो भाग. म्हणून हांव अशें म्हणन की अशे तरेचो अभ्यास गोंय सरकारान ताबडतोब बेगोबेग हातान घेवपाची गरज आसा. आनी कारण हो गोंयच्या आरोग्या कडेन संबंदीत प्रश्न. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.